Hi, it's Jason at Jordan Bikes. I've got for you gorgeous Kawasaki Z1000. Absolutely lovely is this. It's the LED headlight model. Best colour in black as well with the twin Akrapovic exhaust. Absolutely lovely is this. 2015 on a 15 plate, and it's only done 5,981 miles. It is an ABS model as well, and they do have a really funky headlight, which you'll see if I just see there. Funky LED headlight model is this. Really cool bike. Digital display, said ABS. Just an awesome bike, and the twin Acras, which will start up properly in a second. Nice tail tidy on there as well. Really mega popular bike. They always fly out the door to these. You can see a digital display on there. So you've got your rev counter that goes up into the top, and then you've got your ABS. 5,981 miles, lovely miles. So we'll give it a start so you can hear it properly. Sounds cracking, does that? And these are a brilliant bike and they never last long. So be quick, coming down to Jordan Bikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.